Pause the video and try this question from the AIME exam. It's one of the easiest questions you might ever see on the AIME. We're given the two real numbers, x and y, both of them are greater than 1. And we're given this little equation over here. So log base x of y to the x is equal to log base y of x to the 4y, and they're both equal to 10. Given that, we need to find the value of x, y. So let's just write this out as two separate equations, right? Just like this. So this equals 10, and then obviously the other one as well. So now this is log y x to the 4y equals 10. Right? Now what do we notice over here? We notice that there's an exponent and an exponent here, and one of the most basic log properties is that you can just take them out. So you can put that out in front. So instead of the first equation, we can replace that with this. Sorry, log xy, this equals to 10. And then same thing over here. Now the exponent is 4y, so you just pull that out in front. And now we've got log x base y. This is also equal to 10. Now, do you notice anything? What do you think the next step is? They're not asking us to find x and y. They're asking us to find x times y. So a useful step might be just to multiply the two of these, right? Because then we'll get an xy over here. But we've got this pesky log y base x and log x base y. So that might be a little difficult to deal with until you realize that those two are just inverses of one another, or sorry, reciprocals of one another. Right, and the reason for that is there are a lot of ways to think about it, but one of the easiest might just be to use the change of base formula. Right, so you can write this as natural log of y over natural log of x. That would be that, and then this would be natural log x over natural log y. Right, and obviously these, when you multiply them, will just give you 1. So anyway, let's undo that, save some space, and yeah, just multiply the two of them. And obviously here we're going to just get 4xy times well, I mean, yeah, you could write it out again, but as I just showed you, that's just equal to 1. So it's 4xy times 1 equals, and of course, this is going to be 10 times 10, which is 100. So what do we get? We get xy equals 25. Very, very easy stuff. All you need to know is literally all we did was multiply two equations together and then divide by 4, right? And we get the answer, which is correct. So yeah. Okay, that's it. That's all for this AIME question. I believe the year was 2024, AIME 1. So if you want to look at the other questions from that year, feel free to give them a look. But yeah, that's it. I mean, you can see the entire question, everything we did on just this one page right now. So yeah, definitely definitely one of the easier questions. Hopefully you got it right. If not, if there are any parts of this that you don't understand, please make sure to comment them down below and I'll try to help you out over there. Maybe someone else can also help you, one of the other viewers. But that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to help me out and so that you can so that you get notified about future videos. But that's it. See you next time.